Simba, one day all of these constellations will be yours. We're not filming, are we? On? Okay, Daniel.
Yes.
I think there's no better demonstration of how Basel can blow your mind than standing in front of 97,000 citizen base plates just in their booth. It's a crazy place.
It is an absolute crazy place.
And it's your first time.
It's my first time.
Yep.
Yeah.
Has anything shifted you? Has anything blown your mind enough for you to say, I've gone from here to there?
Absolutely. I think there's three things that I was never really into that this Basel has changed in just 3 days. And
Wow.
it might be the caffeine, it might be the lack of sleep.
Yeah. The jet lag, the good stuff.
All the fun stuff.
That's the cocktail of all of our videos, by the way, if you want to try it at home.
That's right. That's right. That's exactly right. But three things that I was never really into, and 3 days ago you could have asked me and I would have said not for me. And that's two-tone,
Really?
gem setting,
Okay, that makes more sense.
and bronze.
See, that surprises me.
Yeah.
I want to unpack this.
Yeah.
Two-tone, what don't you like about, what's not to like about two-tone?
I'm a stainless steel guy through and through. My watches are generally stainless, so I've never really been into adding gold into that, or yellow gold at least, into that sort of equation. But there's been plenty that's come out this Basel that's changed my opinion. And I think it's the softening of the tones on the two tones, whether it be pink gold or the Ever Rose in the case of the Rolex.
And look, our videographer's playing the game of tones right now.
I'm trying to be.
Get it out, it's enough. Oris did the bronze 65.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And playing with bronze as a two-tone as well, that changes it.
Absolutely, and bronze has really won me over, and it was Oris that actually won me over with the Carl Brashear, like that.
So you're switching now to your second pet hate that's now not a hate?
Yeah.
What happened there?
I don't know, there's something about the way that it ages, the oxidization, that really kind of threw me on it. I thought, you're purposefully trying to ruin your own watch.
I don't believe this guy right now, because you just liked the Brashear chronograph. It's chunky, it's bigger than the 65.
It's bigger than the 65. That blue dial is just something else.
Yep.
And on the wrist, like as soon as we wrap up here, I'm actually going to go try and get on a wait list for it. Like I'm that serious. It's
Speaking of wait lists, you know, I made the joke in the review that it's the watch everyone's dying to see because they're going to be dead before the wait list comes up for them. It's a certain one by the Big Crown. Tell me about your love of gem setting.
Well, yeah, my love of gem setting is very fresh.
It's minutes old.
And perhaps it's spending 3 days with Felix that sort of got me into the...
bloody team Felix. Yeah. You thought you were sleeping in peace. He was like, gem set.
I know, absolutely. There's plenty of it around. There's plenty of it that's a bit too OTT for me.
Yeah, pretty much everything but this one.
Pretty much everything but this, which is the Rolex Daytona Ever Rose with the gem set bezel.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Give me some description. Paint a picture for the people.
Yeah. When we were over at Rolex having a look at the new releases for 2018, it was one of them I thought, I picked up, it's got a nice weight to it. But it wasn't until I put it on the wrist. I put it on the wrist and I thought, oh, this is going to be a bit interesting because I absolutely am not into gem set watches at all. And then I didn't want to take it off. Like it was that good. Just the detail in the way that the gem setting's done.
And look, there's a lot of comments whenever we post a gem set watch about, you know, it's bling, it's too much, it's for my wife. You have to actually experience the cohesion of a Rolex gem set watch to appreciate the artisanship that goes into these things.
I'm not going to use the word subtle because I don't think...
We don't need to.
I don't think you can call it subtle.
No.
But the way that it's done, it's very sophisticated. The Ever Rose Gold is just... I don't know, it's just absolutely unbelievable.
He's losing his words.
I am losing my words.
Which means we should probably move on and have another coffee to get them all back together again. Dan, I'm so glad. I mean, it was expensive to bring Dan here. This doesn't come for free, but we have, and you're a different man. And frankly, I'm pleased because, you know, only liking steel watches. Come on, Dan. Come on, play with me, Dan.
I have to lift my game.
I know. Let's go off and find more stuff.
Absolutely.
Cool, man.